So this is how to use a token to protect data so that only the people with the token can see those rows of data which have that token. So you can see on this page there's nothing listed here, but you can see that there's a repeating group which says search for tokens, and this could be anything. This could be invoices, users, but the point, and it's a bit confusing because we're using a token to look at a token table, but you could be using a token to look at an invoice table. So we're searching for tokens, show us all the tokens, and there is a privacy rule on the tokens which says when this current user's token is this token code, then you can view all the fields, otherwise no one else can see it. So that's the privacy rule, and because of that privacy rule we can't see any tokens here because that's the privacy rule. But let's pretend, and if you look at the URL here, down the bottom here, it says we're sending them to the page anonymous token, passing a token code equals ABC. So let's pretend that was a link in email. So we click on that link, and the code equals ABC, and we reload the page, and now I can see the token. So what has happened is, under the covers, is on an anonymous token page, when the page was loaded, we put the token, take it off the URL, we put it on the user, and that token code is on the token, so this means the privacy rule now starts to work. So privacy rule is that privacy rule. Again, it's confusing because I'm using the token table as I should have called this the invoice table, but there is a code which is a token which comes on the URL. So the only thing to realise is that there's a few points about it. One is once you put the token on the user, the page needs to reload, and because this page is the page that also, and the reason this is not automated, this reload, because basically what you want to do is, rather than if this reloaded the page, it would just get in a loop. Every time the page was loaded, it reloaded, and it would just be in a loop. So what you want to do is, when the page is loaded on this token page, really what you want to do is navigate them, go to another page, which effectively reloads the page, reloads another page, and that means the privacy rules will come. So I would have a place where you landed called a token. That token puts it on the user, that token's also on the invoice, and then we redirect it to the view invoice page, and that's how it works.